Hello. So Tweening can be pretty overwhelming at first, so I'll show you the most easy, basic way of doing it. But first off, what is tweening actually? When you tween something, you have a start value and an end value. And what a tween does is it creates the in-between part between those two values, like this. Tweening can be done for any value. It doesn't have to be a position or a size. It could also be color or transparency, anything really. Alright then, let's get started. First off, just create a part. Put a script in it. And first we declare the variables. Then we declare the part. So it's inside the script, so we just say script.parent. And we can start creating the actual tween. So how we do that is we get the tween service, create, then we choose the part that we want to tween. And then you have to insert the tween info. So the tween info has multiple values inside it. You have the time, the easing style, easing direction, how often it repeats, if it reverses, and delay time. So first is time, 1 second. Then for the second one, you can just type this part over, like that's easing style. And here you can see all the options. And the same goes for easing direction. For this example, we keep it simple. So we just keep the time, and the rest will go to its default values. So next is the end value. Let's say size. You have to put it in brackets. Size equals, let's say, double of what it's now. So part.size times 2. Small error. Then at the end, you say play. Just like an animation, you have to play it. Because it takes some time to load, we'll add a wait. So we can actually see it when testing it. As you can see, it grew. Now let's say you also want it to move up. You can just add a comma and say position equals part.position plus factor 3.new 0.10 0. So with this it will go up 10 studs. As you can see, it goes up and it grows.